Hey everyone! Welcome back to PackSmart Travels. Are you ready to embark on your first ever Carnival Cruise? The anticipation of stepping onto that massive ship, the smell of the ocean, the promise of endless buffets and pina coladas. Packing for a cruise, especially your first one, can seem a little daunting. That's why I've put together this ultimate packing guide, specifically for all you first-time Carnival cruisers out there. Let's dive right in and get you packed like a pro. All right, let's kick things off with the most important part of packing clothes. Now, I know you're thinking it's a cruise, I just need my swimsuit and flip-flops, right? Well, not so fast. For daytime, think comfy and casual. Pack your shorts, tanks, t-shirts, and of course your swimsuit. Don't forget a cover-up for when you're strolling around the deck. And trust me, you'll want to pack a light jacket or sweater. The AC on the ship can get chilly, especially in the evenings. Speaking of evenings, most cruises have at least one formal night, so pack something dressy. Think cocktail dress, a nice skirt and top, or even a jumpsuit. Guys, a button-down shirt and slacks will do the trick. Comfortable walking shoes are a must-have. You'll be doing a lot of exploring both on and off the ship. Pack a pair of sandals or flip-flops for the pool and beach, and maybe even some wedges or heels for those dressier occasions. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget a hat. A wide-brimmed hat will be your best friend under that tropical sun. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Okay, we've got the clothes covered. Now let's talk about those all-important accessories. First up, sunglasses. Essential, my friends, essential. The sun can be strong out on the open water, so protect those peepers with a stylish pair of shades. Next, let's talk about bags. You'll want a small backpack or crossbody bag for carrying your essentials during the day, like your phone, wallet, sunscreen, and that book you've been meaning to read. And for those shore excursions, a larger tote bag will come in handy for carrying souvenirs, towels, and anything else you might need. Now here's a pro tip. Pack a small waterproof pouch for your phone and other valuables. This is especially useful for when you're at the beach or by the pool. And speaking of electronics, don't forget to pack a portable charger. There's nothing worse than your phone dying in the middle of capturing those Instagram-worthy moments. Trust me, you'll be taking a ton of pictures. These little things can really elevate your cruise game and make your trip even more enjoyable. All right, let's talk toiletries. Now, I know what you're thinking, it's a cruise ship, not a deserted island. They'll have shampoo and soap, right? And you're right, they will. But let's be real, do you really want to use those tiny hotel-sized toiletries? Pack your full-size favorites, the ones you use every day. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, sunscreen. You know the drill. And ladies, don't forget your makeup and skincare essentials. Here's a pro tip. Decant your liquids into travel-sized containers. This will save you space and weight in your luggage. Another essential item, hand sanitizer. You'll be touching railings, elevator buttons, and menus all day long. Keep those germs at bay with a trusty bottle of hand sanitizer. And finally, don't forget any personal care items you might need, like contact lens solution, feminine hygiene products, or shaving cream. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Trust me, every little bit counts when you're trying to cram everything into your suitcase. This chapter is all about the most important things you need to pack: your documents. Without these documents, you won't even make it onto the ship. First and foremost, your passport. Make sure it's up to date. Next up, your cruise tickets. Print out a copy and keep them safe. Now let's talk about travel insurance. It's better to be safe than sorry. And finally, make copies of all your important documents. Keep one copy in your carry-on bag and another in your checked luggage. These documents are your lifeline on the cruise. Don't overlook them. All right, let's talk shoes. For a cruise, you need more than just flip-flops. Think comfy and casual for daytime. Pack walking shoes for exploring port cities. Sandals or flip-flops are essential for the pool and beach. For evenings, pack heels or dressy sandals. Guys, bring loafers or dress shoes. Don't forget water shoes for shore excursions. Footwear can make or break your cruise. Choose wisely. Happy feet make for a happy cruise. All right, let's talk about staying healthy on your cruise. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I do know that it's always better to be prepared for any eventuality. So let's pack a little first aid kit, just in case. First and foremost, any prescription medications you take regularly. Pack enough to last the entire duration of your trip, plus a few extra days, just in case of any unexpected delays. And don't forget to keep your medications in their original packaging, with the prescription label clearly visible. Next up, over-the-counter medications for common ailments like headaches, upset stomachs, and allergies. Pack some pain relievers, antacids, antihistamines, and motion sickness medication, just in case. Now let's talk about first aid essentials. Pack some bandages, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic cream, and pain-relieving cream for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. You might also want to pack some insect repellent, especially if you're cruising to tropical destinations. And finally, don't forget any personal care items you might need, like contact lens solution, feminine hygiene products, or shaving cream. It's always better to be safe than sorry. A well-stocked first aid kit can be a lifesaver. Stay healthy and enjoy your cruise. All right, let's talk sunscreen. Now I know you've heard it a million times before, but seriously folks, sunscreen is your best friend on a cruise. The sun is strong out on the open water and you'll be spending a lot of time outdoors, so protect your skin. Pack a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Now here's a pro tip. Apply sunscreen even on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate clouds, so you can still get sunburned even if it's not sunny. And don't forget to protect your lips. Pack a lip balm with SPF 15 or higher. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. All right, let's talk about formal nights. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm on vacation, I don't want to dress up. And I hear you. But trust me, formal nights on a cruise are a lot of fun. It's a chance to get dressed up, have a fancy dinner, and maybe even dance the night away. Now, the dress code for formal nights can vary depending on the cruise line, but generally it's cocktail attire. Ladies, think cocktail dresses, skirts and blouses, or even dressy pantsuits. Guys, a button-down shirt, slacks, and a blazer will do the trick. And hey, if you want to go all out with a suit and tie, go for it. But here's the thing, you don't have to break the bank on a whole new wardrobe, just pack a few key pieces that you can mix and match. For example, a black cocktail dress can be dressed up with heels and statement jewelry, or dressed down with sandals and a cardigan. And don't forget about accessories. A statement necklace, a pair of earrings, or a clutch can really elevate your look. Most importantly, have fun with it. Formal nights are a chance to express your personal style and feel confident and glamorous. Enjoy the elegance and make some unforgettable memories. All right, let's talk swimwear. Because let's be real, one of the best parts of a cruise is lounging by the pool or on the beach, soaking up the sun. So you're going to need some stylish and functional swimwear. First things first, pack at least 2 swimsuits. This way, you'll always have a dry one to change into. And don't be afraid to pack a variety of styles. A one-piece is always classic and elegant, while a bikini is perfect for catching some rays. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, try a tankini or a swim dress. Now, let's talk cover-ups. A flowy sundress, a sarong, or even a pair of shorts and a tank top are all great options. Choose something that's lightweight, breathable, and easy to throw on over your swimsuit. And don't forget about accessories. A wide-brimmed hat will protect your face from the sun, while a pair of sunglasses will shield your eyes. And of course, no beach day is complete without a pair of flip-flops or sandals. Most importantly, choose swimwear that makes you feel confident and comfortable. After all, you're on vacation. Relax, have fun, and enjoy the water. Swimwear is all about comfort and style. Make a splash and enjoy your cruise. All right, let's talk about shore excursions. One of the best parts of a cruise is exploring new destinations. Make sure you're properly equipped. You'll need a comfortable and practical bag. A backpack is a good option. Pack water to stay hydrated. Bring snacks to keep you going. Don't forget essentials like wallet, phone, and sunscreen. Check the weather and pack accordingly. Pack smart and enjoy your adventures. Happy exploring! So there you have it, folks. My top packing tips for your first Carnival cruise. Remember, packing smart is all about choosing versatile items that can be mixed and matched, prioritizing comfort and practicality, and not forgetting those little essentials that can make a big difference. Planning ahead and packing strategically will not only save you precious suitcase space, but also give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for anything. Now I want to hear from you. What are your must-have packing tips for a cruise? Share your wisdom in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures and tips. Until next time, happy sailing!